Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use a referral program to increase sales for your online business. A referral program is a powerful marketing tool that can help you grow your business by incentivizing your existing customers to refer new customers to your business. In this video, we'll show you how to use a referral program to increase sales for your online business. The first step in using a referral program is to define your program. What incentives will you offer to customers who refer new customers to your business? Will you offer discounts, free products, or cash rewards? Make sure your incentives are attractive and align with your brand. Next, choose your referral program platform. There are many online platforms you can use to launch your referral program, such as Referral Candy, Ambassador, or Referral. Choose a platform that aligns with your goals and budget. Once your referral program is set up, it's time to promote it. Use your website, social media channels, and email marketing to promote your program to your existing customers. Make sure the message is clear and the incentives are attractive. After launching your referral program, track and measure your results. Use your referral program platform to track the number of referrals, conversions, and rewards. Use this data to improve your program and optimize your incentives. After customers refer new customers to your business, follow up with them. Thank them for their referral and offer them their reward. This will help you build relationships with your customers and encourage them to refer more customers to your business. In summary, these are the necessary steps to use a referral program to increase sales for your online business. Remember, a referral program is a powerful marketing tool that can help you grow your business by incentivizing your existing customers to refer new customers to your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on digital marketing and online business management.